Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the question in rational numbers. Here the question is 3 by 4 of 4 from 1 by 3. 3 by 4. Here we can see the from. So we should do that 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. You can see the denominators are not equal, so do the LCM of denominators. LCM of 3 and 4 is 3 ones are 3, 4 is not equal, so 4 ones are 4, 3 fours are 12, so 1 into 2, 1 into 4 by 3 into 4, 4 because in 3 table 12 comes on 3 fours are, so and 3 threes are by 4 threes are, 4 threes are because 12 comes on 4 threes are, so 1 by, here we can see 4 because the number which comes to the denominator it also comes to the numerator. Here we can see 1 into 4 equal to 4 and 3 into 4 equal to 12. 3 into 3 equal to 9 and 4 into 3 equal to 12. Here we can see that 4 minus 9 by 4, 12. 4 minus 9 we can see that minus 5 by 12. Okay friends, let us go to the next sum. The sum is, and the next one is minus 32 by 13 from 2. Here we should do that 2 minus 32 by 13. Here denominator has not there, so we should keep 1. We can see that denominators are not equal, so 2 into 13, there is no use of doing LCM because 1 into 13 equal to 13 and 2 into 13 by 1 into 13 minus of minus, because here we can see minus 32 by 13, minus of minus 32 by 13 into 1 by 13 into 1. Next 13 2s are 26 and 1 into 13 equal to 13 minus 32 into 1 equal to minus 32 and 13 into 1 equal to 13 only. Here we can see that 26 minus of minus 32 by 13. Here we can say that minus into minus equal to plus, 26 plus 32 by 30 equal to 58 by 13. We have to remember one thing in doing sums. Here we can see that minus into minus equal to plus, plus into minus equal to minus, and plus into plus equal to plus, and minus plus into minus equal to minus. Okay. Sorry, this is minus into plus equal to minus. Next we have to note that we have to note this in every sum. With this sum we can do the all sums in this lesson. Okay, let us go to the next sum. The next sum is minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. Next, minus 4 by 7. Okay, we have minus of minus 7. We cannot see the denominator, so 1. The LCM of 7 and 1 is equal to 7. So minus 4 into 1 by 7 into 1 minus of minus 7 into 7 by 1 into 7. So 4 into 1 equal to 4 minus 4 by 7 minus 49 by 7. Minus 4 minus of minus 49 by 7. Next, minus of minus 4 minus of minus. Here we can see that minus into minus equal to plus. So here we can see that minus into minus. First note. So minus 4 plus 49 by 7 equal to minus 4 plus 49 equal to, here minus into plus equal to minus. Okay, we have to do subtraction. So the answer is 45. 45 plus 45 because before bigger number there is a plus. So we have to keep plus. Smaller number we should not consider as the minus. So which is before bigger number we should keep to the answer, that only. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, I'll try more sums to do. If you like this, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.